Hello students, today we are going to begin with another unit, that is unit 4A, entrepreneurial skills. And in this total we have 6 sessions and we will be discussing about what is entrepreneurship, what is the role of entrepreneurship, qualities of a successful entrepreneur, distinguishing characters of entrepreneurship and wage employment, type of business activities, and entrepreneurship development process. So today we'll go with session number 1, that is what is entrepreneurship. So here we are with session number 1, what is entrepreneurship. As you can see, it's given in the book. Entrepreneurship is the process that involves developing a plan, launching and running a new business idea to meet the customer's need that has not been addressed. In simple terms, it means to have a new business idea which has been not followed by anyone till now. So we said that business idea. So when we have the business idea, we need to plan about that business. We need to launch that business. We need to run that business. And it is said that to meet the customer's need that has not been addressed. That has not been addressed means that so far this was not done by anyone else. You are the first one to do this. So, simple terms, entrepreneurship is nothing but it's just the starting up of a new business idea which was not done by anyone earlier. That's entrepreneurship. Now, entrepreneurship is categorized into various categories, and that category can be from a small home business to the multi-dimensional industries. That means the entrepreneurship can be on the small scale, can be on the large scale. Entrepreneurship means your that new business idea. That new business idea can be from your home, from that small living space, and it can be to a multidimensional industry. So now who is the person who is going to begin the entrepreneurship? Simply, entrepreneurship is done by a person who is known as entrepreneur. Means the person who begins this idea, this business idea, is the entrepreneur. So, an entrepreneur is a person who risks a new venture, that is new idea, offering creative product, process or service with considerable profit. The one who will begin the entrepreneurship, or the person who will bring up this new idea, this new creative product, this process or the service, with the idea of getting a profit out of that. Serving people is one of the fundament of this, but with the basic idea of considerable profit, because when someone is doing a business, that will be related to the profit. So entrepreneurial will be the person who will begin this entrepreneurship with the idea of making a profit. So let us understand actually what entrepreneurship is. Like for example, if we go days back, we did not had anything like Amazon, like Flipkart, or we did not had anything like Zomato. These all are new things. These were the new ideas of providing you food at your doorstep, or providing any article at your doorstep. Years back, it was not there. This was something new, and somebody began that. When this new idea was launched, when this providing the goods at your doorstep by the Amazon or Flipkart or by Zomato, this was carried on for the first time because nobody else has done before this. That was an entrepreneurship, and the person who thought of doing this was entrepreneur. So this is what entrepreneurship is and what entrepreneur is. So now how this whole strategy take place. So you can see entrepreneur is the person who is going to implement this new business idea, this new venture. Then how that will be done by this person, how that business will be planned, how that will be launched, how that will be run, that process will be all known as entrepreneurship. And whatever will be the outcome, that is whatever will be the result of this entrepreneurship, that will be known as enterprise. Enterprise means outcome, the result of your new idea, your new business idea, your entrepreneurship. So enterprise is the project or outcome of the entrepreneurship, or you can say in simple terms that it is the business or the organization. That Amazon, that Flipkart, that Zomato, these are the enterprise. These are enterprises. These are the businesses or these are the organizations. And the whole process, how the things are carried on, how the things were carried on for the first time when all these services began, that was entrepreneurship. And the persons, those started them, those brought forward this idea of Zomato or Amazon or Flipkart or many other things like that, they were entrepreneurs. So to have the complete process, we need three things. First, an entrepreneur should be there, entrepreneurship should be there, and enterprise is there, and then the complete process take place. Now let us see what is the difference between the business and the entrepreneurship. Business is any economic activity where goods and services are exchanged for money. In business, whatever will be sold, whatever will be bought, whatever goods are going to be exchanged, that will be done for money. We will exchange the things between different person for money. And this business will be an organization that is going to use economic resource, any of the economic resource for inputs to provide the goods or services. And the business has been defined in various terms by different persons. Like Stephenson defines the business as the regular production or purchase and sale of goods undertaken with an objective of earning profit and acquiring wealth through the satisfaction of human want. Stephenson says that business is nothing, it is just the production of goods on the regular basis to satisfy the human need and to earn profit. Similarly, Lewis Henry defines it in another way, Dixie defines it in a different way. But overall, whatever we get out of this is that business is actually any form of activity that is conducted with the objective of earning profit, with the main objective of profit. Now, but then where does the difference between the entrepreneur and business fall? Because we said that in the entrepreneurship also there is a point of profit also. So the difference is that a businessman will make his place in the market with his efforts and dedication, whereas an entrepreneur creates the market for his own business. In the business, already the market is set up. Already the market is set up. Now the businessman has to make efforts to make his own place. Like for example, if we talk of the grocery shops, there are so many grocery shops already in the market. If I need, I can open my own grocery shop. But what I have to do, this is not my new idea. Grocery shops are already there in the market. I have to put efforts only and only to make my place. That's all what I have to do. But entrepreneur will have to create his own market because it's a new idea. Nobody else is doing it already. So therefore, entrepreneurial will have to make own efforts, will have to create own market. A businessman is a market player, while entrepreneur is a market leader because he is the first to start such a kind of enterprise. So therefore, the businessman will be a market player, means already the market is set up and he has jumped into that setup. Whereas the entrepreneur is the leader because he is the first one to have such idea, to have such sort of business. So this is the difference between a businessman and an entrepreneur. So we saw the difference. Now the question arises, can we call a person who runs a business a businessman or an entrepreneur? It is simple. If the person is carrying out an unoriginal business, that means if the person is carrying out forward the business which was already there in the market, he will not be called as entrepreneur. But if the person has come up with something new, with some new idea, then only he or she will be called as entrepreneur. So this is all about the chapter. I hope you understood about the entrepreneur and entrepreneurship.